Hello everyone, good evening. This is Karmeet. I'm your financial expert from Olymptrade. I welcome you all to the webinar today. How are you all doing? Where are you watching this webinar from and how is the trading going on? I have started the comment section for you guys, so keep commenting. If there's anything you want to talk about, anything in particular you want to discuss, the chat section is open for you guys. We will be learning about a very simple yet useful strategy which is known as sliding on averages. Now let's wait for a couple of minutes while our traders join in, and once they are in, I will start the session for today. In the meantime, I would like you to tell me where are you watching this live from, how is your trading going on, any questions, any concerns in regards to trading. I'm here to listen to you all. So the comment section is open, guys. If you have to say anything, feel free to send your message there. All right, I see the traders are coming in. Let's wait for a minute more. Market is very unpredictable. I am sorry I did not get a chance to check market today, but we'll do it together. Let's see what's up with the market. You're just scaring me, but hopefully it gets settled by then. All right, just a minute more, guys. Please share the links with your known ones. You are from Dubai, Vipul sir. Welcome to the live. Himesh sir, hello. Every strategy is not working. That's really bad, Himesh ji. No worries. Okay, you're from Pakistan. I welcome you to the live. All right. I get y'all. No worries, even if it's not, working. Let's check. Our traders are already in. So today we are going to learn about the sliding on averages, guys. We go to our technical analysis section. We click on this list that opens up, which is strategy, and scroll a bit down. We see sliding on averages. This basically strategy comes with two SMEs. Okay, there's a small video tutorial which we can check, but as soon as I enable this strategy, you see that we have two lines appear on the platform. So normally what happens in sliding on averages is whenever the yellow line yellow SMA, which is SMA 4, crosses the SMA 60, you will make a trade. For example, here it crossed the SMA 60 from top to downwards, and the color of the candle was red. We could have made a 2 to 3 minutes down trade, and over here it crosses from bottom and the color of the candle is green. We could have made a 2 to 3 minutes up trade. A very simple strategy. I'll repeat it again. Now here let's check some other asset actually, if we are getting a signal. Okay. Let me find a strategy where I can. Okay, yes, here we are getting a signal. Now normally you see the candle time, as soon as I enable the sliding on averages, the candle time went to 5 minutes. Just allow me a second while I put in my charger. So the candle time, the graph time became 5 minutes, and then what would be the trade time? We can trade for 2 to 3 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Do you guys remember that in all my sessions I always mention to you guys that whatever is your candle time, your trade time should be double or triple of the candle time. Now for me here it is saying it's a downtrend. I will wait for this candle to end, and for the next candle I'll make the trade. Okay, in the meantime let me check. Abhinav sir, pranam ma'am, hope you're fine, fit and fine. Yes Abhinav sir, I'm totally fine. Hope you are fine too. And how is trading going on, Abhinav sir? Did you start again? Ayush from Nepal, hello Sandeep ji. Yes Sandeep sir, good question. Santosh sir, good evening sir, how are you? So Sandeep sir, please let's not get into political things here. Instead you can ask how is his trading going on, so that would be a much better question over here. All right guys, so here you see a crossover happening. Okay, now the yellow line came from top, it's crossing in the bottom side. Let's let this candle end, and then we will make a trade over here, maybe for $10. I see a downtrend. I have made a down trade. Let's see. Okay, there's one more comment. Navnath Santosh, hi madam, your balance almost same. Have you made withdrawal? No, I don't make withdrawals. I have just kept this money for trading. I rarely make withdrawal in case of emergency. Like in the time of COVID, I withdrew my money because obviously that was an emergency for everyone. But normally what I do is, I'll tell you something that I practice in my day-to-day trading. Every month when I get my salary, I make a deposit in my account. Okay, I add some funds in my account because it's like, we normally save in our banks or something. I don't do that. I invest here, I keep it. Every month, so it's not that suddenly I deposited this huge amount, na guys. Slowly and steadily every month, maybe twice a month or something, I have made these deposits, and here is the result. That is why I have this a lot. Okay, from Telangana. Good. What? I am good too, sir. I'm very good. Asif sir, hello. How are you guys? If I accidentally miss a comment, please don't mind. I'm trying my best to address all your comments. But sometimes what happens is there are times when I tend to maybe miss a comment or something. Okay, what happened over here? Yes, as we were informed, the market is fluctuating. So basically, Hamish sir was right. We see a lot of fluctuation, but you never know. We have long 10 minutes to go. Even over here, we have long 10 minutes to go. So let's not look at these trades and get confused. Okay, maybe it goes in our favor, maybe it doesn't go. But we will work on recovery if it doesn't go. Right now, tell me, did you understand this strategy well? Do you understand how we are supposed to trade on this? Whenever there is a crossover, if the color of the candle is in the favor of the crossover, like it's crossing from top to bottom, color of the candle is red, you make a down trade. If it's crossing from bottom to top, color of the candle is green, you make an up trade. That is how this works. Can I trade with you, for example? Niskar edits. Please, so Ayush sir, let me tell you, normally I don't suggest my traders to copy trade. The reason is there is some delay, some gap in me making the trades and that broadcast being visible to you due to the server. So that is why I suggest do not copy trade, because while I make the trade and while you hear it, there are almost a few seconds gone and you can miss that opportunity. So I am not saying that I'm going to build 100% trades and you will not, but it takes time. It is not suitable because of the broadcast difference. Okay, so I would suggest that don't do this while in the session. The accuracy of this strategy, we'll check it right now. We can see two are in favor. One about crypto, it can go in our favor is what I still feel. Let's see right now. From 3 2 are in favor, so around it's still a good profit percentage. 70-80% is what it is suggesting. See, any strategy, if it's giving you a 70-80% success ratio, guys, that is a good strategy. Okay, so that is really good. So you should certainly practice those strategy. Yes, if a strategy is somewhere below 30%, 40%, hardly few trades are successful, I wouldn't suggest that okay, go for this strategy. Take your time and practice some other strategies, what I suggest my traders. Now here also you see the candle is ending and we see that it's going downwards, so maybe this trade also gets prof. I have my admirer here, not even a dead battery, a tsunami or the earth splitting it could not dedication her. Yes. See, hosting webinars, I really love that. Now you see all the 3 trades are positive. Okay. Now hosting webinars, I really like that. The reason is basically I like teaching. Okay, it's not that just the webinars. I like teaching, and if anyone benefits from my knowledge, I really appreciate that. I think that okay, my knowledge came to some use. So I like when people comment like, ma'am, you taught this and I got this profit. I like those things. So basically it's an inbuilt thing in me that that teacher wala instinct is there, that I like doing it, and that's why I conduct the webinars for you guys. Accuracy we will check. Okay, I missed someone's comment. Okay, is 10% profit daily a good? It is a good profit, Hamish sir, certainly a good profit. Slowly we need to earn our money. See, in a day 50%, 60% is not possible. In fact, if you do set that targets for yourself, you will go under stress. So smaller the target, better it is, because it's going to give you that positive approach. It is going to let you achieve that target and you will be very positive about it. Okay, so set smaller targets, guys. Now we have 2 active trades, 3 active trades, 2 are positive, 1 is still negative. We saw that this trade again fluctuated. So I don't know what it closes at. The next candle that started is in red, but you never know what happens. Okay, So this is about this particular strategy. Even the Euro USD trade, we see it's fluctuating now. It's showing an uptrend, then a downtrend. So yes, I can see the market is very fluctuative today, but that shouldn't be impacting our trade. We are still supposed to continue our trading, guys. Okay. All right. So let's check some other asset. Is the strategy clear, guys? First of all, confirm this to me. Is the strategy clear to you guys? If there's any question, feel free to ask them. Okay, we have something. Sabir Hussain from Dubai. Dubai. That's a beautiful place according to me. Did y'all understand the strategy, guys? Come on, some thumbs up, some thumbs down. That okay, ma'am understood. Ma'am did not understand. Something maybe we can, mention over here. That would be much better. Even I get motivated if you all talk about it, if you all mention it. So keep doing that, guys. Okay, at the moment, yes, just two active trades. This trade I doubt is going in our favor because it has almost flipped and we see the change here also. Ma'am, I have two news for you, one good, one bad. Abhinav, so not again, not again. Okay, let's go for the bad one first because I want to be happy about the, good one. So news, Sandeep sir, see, news if you see, first of all, you need to see how effective that news will be. How will you see that? In front of the news, there are stars. A news with a 3-star will obviously affect the market. 1-star, it is very less chances that it might affect the market, but a news with 2-star or maximum or the best is 3-star, that does affect the market at any cost. Okay, so that is how the news works. All right, is that clear? If you see a news that has 3 stars, yes, it is going to affect. If you see a news that has 2-star, it might affect. But if there is a news that has 1-star, the chances are very less. Okay, does that answer your question? All right, so let's check if there are any assets. So Abhinav sir, bad news please, I'm waiting for your bad news. Okay, a fluctuation is happening over here. Again, do you see the crypto falling? Crypto is again falling up. My goodness, these assets are very fluctuating. Bad on 28, I did overtrade. I go from 1100 to 1700. On 29, I became overconfident and fell down to 800. Both are not good. 28 trade is not good, and 29th overconfidence is also not good. So both are bad. I don't want you to do both. I just want you to trade patiently, okay, without any hassle, without any worry. You have not yet set your target, Abhinav, so I can say that for sure, because if you have your targets, you will not overtrade, and if you after your targets also you overtrade, that's not good. And the today's sweet technical glitches, Karmeet forgot about the homework. No, I did not. I was just waiting for you. I was explaining the strategy, and the homework is only for you. That is never going to happen. And now that you've reminded me, this week you're getting one more homework, and that too you have time only for tomorrow, because Friday I'm again conducting the webinar. So you just have tomorrow to complete your homework, okay? So I did not forget. Now tell me, how many webinars did I conduct in this month? Quickly tell me, then I'll come up with my second homework for you guys. Okay, so the crypto trade that we were least expecting, that went in our favor. Now we have Mahajantar, and that's in our favor. Let's check Euro USD. I doubt Euro USD going in our favor. So again, we stand at the same place. One trade negative, two trades positive. But the good thing over here is the crypto composite profit percentage was 91.91%. Euro USD profit percentage is 82%. So still I get to earn more, right? So That's the reason I tell you that keep changing asset, keep practicing asset. Okay, why is this falling down suddenly? But did we win that? Yes, we won that. And at the very last moment, it started falling down. So thank God we that trade closed by then. We are not winning the Euro composite trade, Euro USD trade, guys. It's not in our favor. So that trade we have missed. But no worries, we will check other assets again. Yesterday I took Kunal sir's session, tried to follow his suggestion, but still I was overtrading. Today I came out high. Yes, because you know today Karmeet is going to come live, and then she'll scold me if I overtrade and if I go into overconfidence. That's why you stopped trading today, right? Otherwise you were trading full fledged. So no doing that. Set your targets first, guys. Please set your targets. You're putting your hard-earned money over here. I am putting efforts to teach you so that you are able to make something out of the hard-earned money. So don't do that. Okay? Okay. Although I got profit, but still I'm not satisfied what I did. My goal was only to earn 100 or 120, but I just kept trading. Don't do that. If you know your goals, you already know about your goals, Abhinav sir, and you are so good about it. You know that in most of my sessions you have been there and we have spoken about your goals and targets. So don't do that. Don't ruin your, and you have taken a break and come back, sir. So now at this moment I don't want you to be worried about being able to trade and all of that. I want you to trade in the best possible way. So for that, patience is the key, sir. Do not overtrade. I see a signal coming up in Moonch Index maybe after this candle. Let's check some other assets. First of all, please let me know if this strategy is pretty clear to you guys. If you have any doubts, any questions, let me know. If not, let's continue our trading. Alright, let me check over here. I am sorry for that barking in the background. You know him already. People in my webinars know him very well. He does want attention. He does want to be there, and to let you all know that he is also helping you in trading. So yes, that's Jordan for you. All right. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry. Okay, he's gone. Sorry for that. I understand it interrupts the webinar. I'm really sorry, but if he sees someone at the door, someone unknown, someone that he doesn't want to enter the house, he gets hyper. So he's basically my guard or something like that we can call him, but also my life. Hello Imran, so how are you? Yes, Abhinav, so I'm really sorry for Jordan barking in the background. I understand that it disrupts us, but again he's not a human being who understands. He's not a human who understands what we need to, when we need to bark and all that. He just does that for my protection. So I'm still, I get emotional in fact sometimes when he does that, because I know why he's doing that for. All right. The pet dog is going to be there. My kid is going to be the same. Till I'm doing the webinars, till I'm here, you will keep hearing my child from the background. Sometimes, sometime or the other. If he's sleeping, you might not, but otherwise, you will be. Because again, he's an attention seeker, so he wants everything. All right, let's get back to our trading. Yes. Who's Abhinav sir says Moonch down? Yes, it is. Imran sir, good. That's great. All right, the candle is about to end. Let's see what the next candle brings for us, and then we get back to our trades. Okay, we still see a downtrend, but the candle that is coming up is not down. Not 4, that's not the right one. Did you listen to the webinars? Alright, so let's check some other assets, guys. Let's try if there's something in gold, but there is not. because gold is not in our favor. Okay, nothing in Majantar. What about Moonch? Moonch is giving a down signal, but next candle, I'm sure not this candle. Someone can you keep an eye on Moonch index please while I check other assets? If you see it cross, just let me know, and then we are able to make that trade. We are not guessing over here. I want you to come up with a number, okay? You will say 5 6, I'll say no. You'll say 7 8, I'll say no. No, the guessing game is not on. I want you to come up with a number here. I can confirm in one. You can include today's webinar too. So today is one. I can confirm exactly how many webinars I did, but I want you to confirm it to me. Okay, so one signal coming in Brent, one coming in Moonch index. We have two signals coming up. Now let's check. Let's see where we are able to make a trade. So remember Brent, remember Moonch index. Nothing in cricket composite. Nothing in Euro AUD. Something might come up in Euro CAD, but not in other assets. Alright guys, not many signals actually to trade on right now. First you write you are 100% sure and we can lock your answer. Then I will let you know the exact whether you are right or no. Did anyone check Moonch index guys? Is there a signal? No, it flipped. So it was good that we did not make this trade, right? Okay, give me a minute. I'll just check and confirm it. Did you include today's webinar or you did not include today's webinar? Tell me Akpak sir, did you include it or you have not included it? According to that, I will confirm. Okay, crypto gave us a good signal actually guys. So right now we are at a good profit, but we need to make some more profit. See, even if the market is fluctuating, even if there is too much up and down, we were still able to achieve profits here. Okay. Ma'am, we are not getting much. Can we switch to Quickler? You want me to lose my money? I can switch to Quickler, but I will lose my money because Quickler is more unpredictable. You want me to show you the graph of Quickler at the moment? Let's do that for you. Here is Quickler. Okay. Now tell me what are you going to understand over here. It says minimum 10 minutes graph. So let's try this up trade. Okay, thank God. No, but I'm not doing it. I was literally holding my breath. I don't like trading on Quickler, guys. I cannot do that for you guys. I'm really sorry. And I will never suggest my traders to do that too. So, not my cup of tea, and I don't want it to be your cup of tea too. Alright, Moonch, what's wrong? No, there is nothing in Moonch. Okay, let me test Akpak sir first, okay, with his answer. So he says I conducted 6 webinars in the month of April. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. That's so good. I'm impressed, Akpak sir. That's the exact number. Yes, I conducted 6 webinars, including today is the sixth one. Friday will not be this month, right? No. So yes, in the month of April, it is 6 webinars. So good, good. I like that thing. How did you check it? Did you literally go to all the webinars and you heard my voice or something? Yes, we did, but I was holding my breath till we could make profit because I know Quickler it suddenly drops out of nowhere. So you made me hold my breath while I was that trade was that 5 seconds was like and that anxiety thing coming up. So no more trades in Quickler. Short, I normally feel that Brent, up at Brent, let me check. Yes, Brent was giving a signal, but we were not able to, catch it that time. Yes, up at Brent, but after this candle. So let's wait. Oh, it's 3 minutes 33 seconds at the moment. Now tell me, what did you do? Did you ask someone? Is it low? Can you confirm? Akpak sir, Abhinav sir, people who are here. Manu sir says my volume is very low. Is it low? Can anyone please confirm? Is my volume very low? Because I am talking on the full volume with my over the ear headsets on, so I don't think that it would be low. Can someone please confirm? What makes you say that, Imran sir? I am not a genius, come on. What makes you say that? Okay, okay. Please someone confirm, am I clearly audible? Is my volume low? Are you not able to hear me well, or is it Manu sir's device maybe that's having low volume? It is a bit low? Let me check. Is it okay now? Do you see any changes now? Or is it very low? Because Manu sir says he's not, it's very very low. So is it better now? Just let me know. Maybe a thumbs up is fine, and if it's not better, a thumbs down is fine. Any changes in the volume right now? I made some changes. Do you see any changes in the volume? Guys, we are not getting signals, guys. What do we do? Just 4 trades made so far. Monch index, can you just allow me a minute while I grab a sip of water, guys, please? Just a minute, please. Thank you for that, guys. Tell me. So, we were waiting for a signal in Moonch. Right now, Moonch is not giving us a signal. Come on, guys. Better than previous? That's great. Yes, Quickler, a genius never says that he is genius. No, no, no. I don't think genius and all that, okay? Hello, ma'am. I'm new to your webinar. May I know that you give signals or you teach? I teach. Okay, because signals I will give for some days and then I'll disappear. I won't work lifelong over here. But if I stop giving you signals, how are you going to trade? You will be dependent on my signals. So it's better I teach you. I teach you how to catch signals and then you will be able to. Acha. Akpak sir, I seriously sometimes feel that over the whole week you wait for my webinar, you write these dialogues and keep. Okay, so this time it's this time it's this. Or you copy it from some film or something and you convert it. Or it's AI. Okay, it's AI or something. The person who uses AI the most on my webinar, I think that's you, who converts, who comes up with all these dialogues. USD CAD. Okay, let me check. Thank you. USD CAD. Yes, yes, yes. A down signal coming up. We'll have to wait for some time. The crossover is happening, but the next candle is right now green. So we will wait for this candle to become red. If it becomes red, we will make the trade here. And right now, look at the time. We need to wait for a couple of minutes to make the trade. The market will suddenly fluctuate now. Someone mentioned about the news. Can you please let me know on what asset was the news on, so that we could check it? What asset was the news about? Was it euros? Was it USD, gold? What was it about? Nothing happened in euro USD. Ma'am, when I am placing trade in live market, 5 to seconds delay. Imran sir, I'm really sorry. Can you please tell me what internet are you using? What is the speed of your internet? See, for Olymptrade to function very smoothly, we need at least 30 Mbps speed. Okay, if you are using the Olymptrade application on your own mobile device, you might not see that trades getting placed easier, because sometimes you are on call and you make a trade, you suddenly receive a call and all of that, then the trades do get impacted. So we normally suggest a proper Wi-Fi connection with at least 30 Mbps speed. If you have that, then it's no worries. If you're still facing the issue and you are on an expert or advanced level, just put your ID in the chat section, and I will just forward it to the concerned department. All right. USD. The news was in USD. The news was in USD, Pankaj sir, because we do not see any changes in USD happening. And how many stars that did that news have? Did it have 1 star, 2 star, 3 star? What was it? Basic altcoin, let's check. No signal. Let's check basic dollar index. Nothing in basic dollar index too. Yeah, that's fine, but it's a mobile network, right? Or is it a Wi-Fi network? What is it? Is it a mobile network or a Wi-Fi? Guys, come on, tell me what to do. We do not have much signals coming up. I've explained the strategy. I'll explain it to you again. We have signals, but that's going to take 10 minutes at least for the signals to appear. Okay, whenever you see that the yellow line is crossing the blue line, from which direction it is crossing. If it's coming from top to bottom, and the color of the candle is red, you make a down trade. If it's coming from down to up and the color of the candle is green, you make an up trade. I'm really sorry, I don't know why we have this voice issue. It is not my device actually, because I am able to hear myself very clearly. It is, and the volume is also 100% for my system as well as my headphones. Is it better now? Do you think it's better now? Can anyone please confirm, is the voice better now? Just let me know whether you're able to hear me quite well now, or is there still low volume concern? Imran sir, what is your status right now? Are you on expert level or the advanced level, sir? Let me also check. Is it better or no? Yes, better, no, not better. Better. Okay. Thank you for that. So two people confirmed it is better. One person says not better. So let me just check it once again. It's Wi-Fi network, then it shouldn't be giving you that concern, but again, it's fine, it's perfect now. That's really good. So it shouldn't be giving you that reason. It shouldn't be give. All right, so let's check for some signals. How much you earn profit for month, madam? uh, Now it depends. Okay, it depends upon how much you invest. So basically I do not set that huge targets for myself. Like I told you, I trade for 2 days or 3 days a week and not more than that. So that is why not very huge target. And I achieve something that I'm able to keep in. Don't ask me, Akbak sir. That barking is going on whole day, but sometimes it's very much extreme by seeing some people. Yes, so that is what is up with Brent. The reason I talk to you about Brent is, now let's go to Brent. What happened? Why I tell you wait for the crossover? Now it crossed. The next candle came up as red. Now again it's green. Now again it's crossing over. So always wait for the next candle, guys. Do not immediately, as soon as you see it, and do not immediately make a trade. So now again Brent will go in a downward direction. You see that? It's falling. So it is done with its uptrend. Now it's going downwards. Let's do one thing, guys. Let's risk Brent over here. Okay, maybe $5 and maybe, okay, let's do it 5 minutes and let's make a down trade here. Was the news about Brent? Because I see a sudden fluctuation in Brent also. So maybe the news was about Brent, but that is okay. I've made a $5 trade here because I was not getting any signal. At least some signal is going to help, right? All right, no other signals, guys. The market is volatile. It's really slow as well today. I mean, because of being volatile, it is not giving any signal. Here we are getting a signal in Euro USD coming up. News it about Chicago PMI. No, that is not something that is going to affect us. So, okay, we have a signal here. Euro USD, we will come back. Let's check GBP USD. No signal in GBP. What's about this? Currently you see it's not in our favor. Okay, but anything can happen. It can still go in our favor. And I'm waiting for a signal from Euro USD because I suspect that Euro USD will give us a signal. You see that rise? Again suddenly it can fall too. So let's wait. Okay, okay, okay. See that huge candle? Now it had, see this point, guys. Now the candle, such a huge candle is forming up. Even some minutes back this candle had formed and then it suddenly fell down. So if after this candle also the next candle color is red, that means it is going to flip. Okay, okay, so it's there. I thought it was there at 7 IST. No worries. Alright, so we don't see, let's see what the next candle does. If it falls down, it will make a change in trend. Okay, no, we see an up signal coming up. Let's make a trade here. I am going to use my risk free on purpose and I have made an up trade. Let's see the reason to use risk free. Okay, this trade went in our favor. Okay, no worries. So right now we have two active trades, guys. Two trades are in our favor right now. That means the signal was good, signal was correct, but since the risk free is used because of the fluctuation in the market. Okay, We will wait for these trade to end. In the meantime, we will keep on checking. Yes, Imran sir, I did get your ID. I have noted it down. Don't worry. Someone from the concerned team, you are on level 9, I understand, but level 9 of which level? We have 3 levels: starter, advanced, expert. Can you just check your profile and let me know? Over here on your profile, do you see a yellow mark, blue mark, or green mark? Can you just let me know about that? What mark do you see over here? Is it a yellow mark, green mark, or a blue mark? Right now both are in our favor. We will see them after some time. Advanced greens, okay, great, no worries. If you're an advanced level, you still get a monthly personal session from our expert. And apart from that, regarding your delay also, I'll forward the request to the concerned team. They will get in touch with you. Mahajantar is about to give a down signal, guys. Maybe after this candle, please keep an eye. Some people are saying it's good, Vikas, so I just confirmed. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe it is something to do with the system, because from my end I am on a 100% volume. Let us check now. Do you think it's better now? Because even when I'm checking my mic and my audio, it all says that it's working perfectly. So do you think it is better now? If not, then I don't think there is some, even use of just chit chatting over here. Maybe we will have to end the webinar, because if it's not audible. It's raining where? I don't see the rain. Where is it raining? So is the voice okay now, Vikas sir? Can you please confirm? Because when I checked with others, they mentioned that it's clear. So if you could confirm, please. Okay, the trade in Brent went positive. The Euro USD trade is going on right now. We will see how that one goes. Okay, it is fluctuating, but the good thing over here is we have a risk freeze in place. Okay, so that's there, and then we will check once the Euro USD, it is raining. So is it not clear? Do you hear disturbance in the background or something like that? Please confirm that. Maybe that's the sound of the fan that you could hear. Is it a fan sound or an airy sound that you're hearing? It should be better. Okay, so in the rainy season, Akpak sir, you will be a millionaire then. I am just subscribed this YouTube channel. Welcome, Vikas. I welcome you to the live. Okay. No, so not airy, right? Because I use my noise cancellation headset so that you guys don't feel disrupted. But I don't know what it is then. Oh, thank you, Apu sir. That means a lot. Okay, so we have a signal coming up over here. Let's see. Let's wait. I am really sorry, because I don't get the reason for that. Normally, it never happens. I mean, this is the first time I'm getting some. Not only you, but many people before you also mentioned that your voice is not clear. So I don't know what is the reason for that. Any which ways, we don't have much time left. So maybe in the next session or something, I will again check my headsets, and then I will come with the live. If my headset is having some problem, I might not come live, and I will have someone else come live for you, but only if my headset has a problem. Okay, so maybe next webinar, if I think they are not using headphones. No, you you mean the people who are listening to me, the viewers are not using headphones? Yes, that can be a reason, but still, even if it's not an headphone, they should be able to hear me. I mean, come on, I cannot tell everyone that no, you will only be able to listen to me if you use headphones. That's not right on my behalf. So it's okay if they're not using headphones, they should still be able to hear me. I'm sure from once I'm doing this webinar, not everyone uses the headphones, right? So they should still be able to hear me. If they are not, it's not good. I cannot get a new headset in one day, Akpak. So come on. I mean, in this hot summer climate, I will not go out to get the headset. And if I don't go out, how will the headset come to me? So if I don't get the headset, and if it is the headset, because I make calls using this headset too. So if it is, I don't think it's my headset, because see, Apu sir is able to hear me using his headsets. So that's not my headset, okay? But still, I will check, I will see what I can do, and I'll try my best to do that. If not, I will have Kunal or Afreen or someone conduct the session for you guys. The session is not going anywhere, so you don't worry about it. Okay, let's check Euro. What is up with Euro? Did it flip? Oh, it did. It did. Thank God we used our risk freeze. Right? So that's the reason I tell you guys to use risk free and to save your risk freeze. They're not going anywhere, they're not expiring. Save them. Mahajantar is coming with a downtrend, guys. We could make a down trade over here. Okay? Maybe after this candle we can. Ma'am, you can in just 10 minutes blink it, but I don't like the quality. I mean, I'm very particular about my headset. I need that over the ear headsets, and I need a proper, you know, that RGB light kind of headset. So, you know, I have a lot of what do we call it? There's some word. I know it's version in Hindi, but I don't know it in English. I'm not getting that word. I know it in English, but I'm not getting that word. Sir, how to use risk free? Sure. So this shield kind of icon that you see, that is risk free. You see I have 56 right now. So these never expire, they stay in your account. Save them. If I click one, I click on $5 risk free. There are different amounts in it. As soon as I click 5, you see the trade amount becomes 5. Now as soon as I make a trade, now here you see this trade. Let's go to Euro USD and I'll show you. This trade is against, I predicted up, it went down. But do you see my loss over here? No. You see $0. That means no profit, no loss. I will get back what I invested. So my $10 come back. No, not priority. I can tell you the word in Hindi. Maybe some of you guys, you know, are able to guess the English word. It's on my mind, but I'm not able to type it down. I don't know exactly. It's not coming up in my mouth. So, you know, lots of in Hindi, nakras, basically lots of ifs and buts I have when I use things. This is one word. Nakra is one word. So yes, many things I have. I don't compromise. I'm not easy to compromise on things. I have many demanding. I wouldn't say I'm demanding, but come on, give me a word for that. Give me what I am. I don't know what I am. You guys tell me now. Come on. I gave you the Hindi word. Now give me the English version of myself. See, no one is getting that word. How could I get it? So I'm not wrong over here. Okay, now Apu sir, please so focus on the screen. If this crosses, tantrums, yes, sort of, yes. I mean, when it comes to me using something, I am that kind. Like, no, I want specifically this. I want this only. I'm not okay with this. So, Apu sir, I've made a down trade here because the crossover happened. The color of the candle started in green. Now you see that it's going against. It is showing as 0. That's its white. Now as soon as it goes down, this will become green. So I'll get my profit, but I'm not going to lose. Okay. So this is about risk free. Guys, I think this was my last trade for today. Till this trade happens, let's check what amount I started my trading on. I started at 520 and right now we are at so $5 here, we are at 540, so we had almost $20 plus. Okay, so today the profit is very less, but you know we were not able to get more signals, so that is the reason of this. I'm really sorry I couldn't make more trades today, but let's see how this one closes. And yes, tantrums, yes, but I don't think throwing tantrums sometimes is bad. You always see, you earn for yourself, right? So you always need to be clear about what you want, how you want, and then only you're able to enjoy your earnings. If you know that, okay, I'm not going to I could say I don't compromise on things. Someone has done a Google search or an AI used again. So now you see a person, it's in green now. Yes, see, essence. Bak sir, all the knowledge I gave you in these all the months, you're using it at once. So, Apu sir, you will get it once you're level. If you're not on an expert level now, you might not able to see it. You will get it as when you get it. Yes. I am blessed about it that I have till date never closed my session in negative balance, and I think that motivates my traders too. Level 8 of what? I mean, your check on this profile. Are you on expert? Do you see these yellow 3 bars, 2 green bars, or 1 blue bar? So let me know that, and then I'll tell you whether you'll get it or not. So I think not closing the trade in losses or not closing the trade in negative motivates my trader to use that strategy. They feel that okay, if it's worked for her, it might work for us, and then they try it. If I only I'm not able to explain things or not able to earn profit, how are you going to do that? So I think that's I know you googled, come on, I know my traders very well. Okay, I know my traders, so I know you googled it. So wait for some time, Apu sir, you'll cross your expert advanced level and you'll go to the expert level, and then you will certainly get your risk freeze. Okay. Alright guys, we have an active trade. It is going to take 7 more minutes. We do not have 7 minutes. Right now it's in profit, we can see. We do not have 7 minutes to end this session. We have just 4 minutes left. Not 4 to 3 minutes left. So this trade is right now going in profit. I can show you maybe on Friday how this trade goes. Friday I'm going to meet you same time, 6:30 on the same channel if my headset works fine. Don't say that, Bhinav. So a person is himself responsible to build his status. The world is not going to come and I can help you, I can guide you, but it's in your hand how you build your status. So even a person who is, I'm not telling this to you, please don't get offended. Even a person who is not getting one-time meal can work hard, believe in himself, and can be a billionaire one time. So I personally focus on believing in myself. I feel that if I have the strength to fight the world, if I have the strength to achieve things and to stay strong, and I have the strength to do hard work, anything can come behind me. And that only keeps me motivated. Even if I lose, even if I win, that keeps me motivated and that keeps me going in my trading. Not only trading, in my general life also, if I have fights with someone or if I have some ups and downs, I still believe in myself. I feel that okay, no, if this person values me, if he knows or she knows what they are losing, they will come back. Because I can build, I'm a person who can surrender my whole life to someone, but I always want in something in return. I just want that dedication and that belief in return. So believe in yourself. I am sure you're going to achieve good heights, and there will be a time, I don't know how long I am able to conduct webinars, how long I'm with Olymptrade, not for life for sure, but someday, somewhere, even if in your mind you might think that okay, there was a lady who mentioned about me being successful, and yes, today I'm successful, I'm at this level. So I know someday you will remember me about it. Okay. Alright guys, time for me to end the webinar. Right now the trade is in profit. I don't know how it closes. I'll show it to you on Friday. I might not trade tomorrow so that you are able to see the result on Friday. Practice this strategy in your demo account, guys, and Friday let me know what do you think about it, whether you think it's successful or it is not. We will again meet on Friday 6:30 p.m. Indian time, same place. Please be there. Till then, that time, guys, take care, stay motivated, and do not underestimate yourself. Okay? Good night and good morning for people who are watching from the other country where the day has just started. Take care and bye bye, guys. Bye.